the Honda CB300R. The smart first motorcycle for new riders for aspiring motorcyclists on a budget. The choice often comes down to the used market or entry-level models. While used bikes can be tempting, they carry risks of hidden issues and unreliable support. This makes a new, affordable motorcycle the smarter option for beginners. The Honda CB300R stands out as a perfect choice. It bridges the gap between sporty performance and comfortable handling, delivering reliability without breaking the bank. Why budget bikes are ideal for beginners? A first motorcycle should prioritize affordability, ease of use, and reliability. Cheaper bikes aren't just cheaper to buy. They also have lower maintenance costs due to affordable parts and service rates. Fuel economy is excellent on smaller engines, and dropping the bike, a common beginner mistake, is less financially devastating. Depreciation is also milder, and insurance premiums reflect the lower value. The CB300R's appeal isn't just about saving money up front. It's about minimizing the total cost of learning. This means more funds for essential gear and safety equipment, while avoiding the steep depreciation hit of more expensive models. Your first bike is a learning tool, and a budget-friendly choice allows you to upgrade later without regret. The Honda CB300R. Quality without the premium price. Honda has a strong reputation for building beginner-friendly motorcycles. The CB300R exemplifies this, offering exceptional value in the entry-level segment. With a recent price reduction to $4,499, down from $5,149. The CB300R now undercuts competitors like the BMW G310R $5,195, Yamaha MT-03 $4,999, Triumph Speed 400 $5,495, and KTM's 25390 Dukes $599/$5,899. Approachable performance for new riders. The CB300R's 286cc liquid-cooled engine is tuned for efficiency and reliability. Its 10:7:1 compression ratio and counterbalancer ensures smooth operation, while programmed fuel injection delivers crisp throttle response. With 31 horsepower and 20.2 lb-ft of torque, the bike provides enough power for learning without being intimidating. A 6-speed manual gearbox with a slipper clutch aids in proper gear control, and the engine achieves 71 mpg, offering a range of over 185 miles on a 2.6-gallon tank. Lightweight and stable handling, weighing just 316 pounds, the CB300R is incredibly manageable. Its compact diamond frame and double-sided swing arm provide nimble handling, while the 53.2-inch wheelbase ensures stability at higher speeds. A 24.7-degree rake and 3.7 inches of trail further enhance novice-friendly dynamics. The upright riding posture and 31.6-inch seat height offer comfort and accessibility, while 41 telescopic forks and a ProLink monoshock provide adequate suspension travel. Dual-channel ABS, combined with 296 mm front-rear discs, ensures confident braking. Modern style and practical features inspired by Honda's Neosport's Café design language. The CB300R features minimalist lines and a muscular stance. Blacked-out components and an LED headlight give it a premium look that belies its price. The bike includes full LED lighting, a clear LCD instrument display, and standard ABS for safety. Honda's extensive dealer network guarantees easy access to parts and servicing. The Honda CB300R delivers a combination of affordability, reliability, easy handling, and stylish design that makes it the ideal first motorcycle. It's not about settling, it's about starting smart.